Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. After the unboxing, we will change now this fuel cap with the keyless fuel cap from Ducati. So we have to unscrew some bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, all these, one here, one from the other side here, this and this. So let's start unfitting this old fuel cap. We need the 4mm hex screw and 3mm for these small screws, this and this. Very nice so far. So now we have to take out this tube and this tube to install the new one. Just have a detail here how it is golden fan here. This is an upgrade for the old V4S. Okay, let's go here. Very nice, very good quality. It is made from this Italian brand, Zadi, that is making locks for almost all the Italian motorbikes. And now we're gonna install it. Very simple. We have to insert these two hoses here. Very good, very nice. Okay, amazing. Be careful, this seal to sit properly. Okay. There are some details that you have to be careful about. So the place where the cable should go is from this little space here. You can see this at the installation manual that I will add at the description for downloading. It's directly from Ducati. It will go around here, and you should find this adapter. You can see this black thing. This is the cover for the adapter, and this is it. You have to take this out and plug in this one. Okay, we need the screwdriver to take this out. This is it. Keep it somewhere, you will need it. Okay, let's test this. Okay, let's check this now. It is opening, and also there is a message here that the fuel cap is open. Fuel cap here, okay. And let's close it. Okay. Now there is nothing here, it disappeared. You open this again. Fuel cap open. Very nice. Let's start assembling the rest of the plastics here. At last we have two stickers, one in transparent and white, one transparent and black color, with some information on how to open the lid. Okay, be careful. Okay. These are the instructions. So it says to open it slowly and that it remains open for 5 minutes after you turn off the bike. So this was the video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe and share to your friends. Thanks for watching.